Hi, I'm Amirah from School of Biosciences. I will talk about my poster entitled All Eating Microbes Bioremediation Process. First, I will talk about the main reason why we need bioremediation. We need bioremediation because of oil spill. Oil spill is the leakage of oil accidentally or intentionally which then floats on the surface of water bodies. This is a this is a pollution that will cause great effect to the marine's life as it will reduce the insulating ability of the fur-bearing mammals and also will reduce the water repellency of the bird's feather. Thus, this will expose them to the harsh elements and eventually they will die from the hypothermia. Besides that, the oil will also prevent the penetrations of the oxygen beneath the water surface, so the marine's life will not get enough oxygen to reproduce, and this also will cause death. Back in 2011 in China, there was a great oil spill case which called Bohai spill, which happened in Bohai Bay. Next, I will talk about the definitions of bioremediation. Bioremediation is the process of converting hazardous substances into harmful states under controlled conditions. This bioremediation process use indigenous bacteria that will act as an oil-eating microbes. These microbes will ingest the oil spillage, and eventually the oil spillage will be gone, and the sea and the water surfaces will be clean again. In my poster, we can see that there is the image of oil spill that happened in Spain. This is the image from the satellite view, and then there are so many methods that we can use to treat this bioremediation, but I will only talk about two of them, which is the first one is bioventing. Bioventing is the process which we use the nutrients and supply them to enhance the activity of indigenous bacteria and stimulate the natural in situ biodegradations of hydrocarbons by inducing air and oxygen. The second method is biosparging. Biosparging is the process where we injected the pressure air below the water table to increase the water ground oxygen concentration. And this bioremediation process has advantages, which is it is less expensive, and it also minimizes the site disruption because we only execute this process on that infected site only. Furthermore, we can eliminate this in long-term effect and in a long-term liability. And we also can use any chemical or physical treatments methods, which is very easy to. And the advantages is that some chemicals are not susceptible to the biodegradation, such as heavy metals, chlorinated compounds, and radionuclides. And we also the microbial metabolisms of the contaminants may produce toxic metabolites. There are several ways to enhance the bioremediation, such as first we can use bioaugmentation, where we can use the specific microbes on the toxic infected areas, and this method has been proven to be ineffective to eliminate the toxic waste. We also can use biostimulation, where we supply nutrients so that we can accelerate the reproduction rate of the microbes, so that they can work faster. And we also can use chemicals that without adding any additional purifications. And as for conclusion, I can say that the bioremediation is the best solution to solve oil spill because they only use natural occurring bacteria and which is eco-friendly and economical technology.